Item 785. Bridge joint repair or replacement. 1. Description. Repair or replace damaged bridge joint as shown on the plans. 2. Materials. Provide materials conforming to the pertinent requirements of the following items except as shown on the plans. Item 429, concrete structure repair. Item 449, anchor bolts. Item 454, bridge expansion joints, and DMS 6100, epoxies and adhesives. Submit information on pre-packaged repair materials and concrete mix design a minimum of 10 days before beginning work. 3. Equipment. Provide equipment in accordance with Item 429, concrete structure repair, and Item 448, structural field welding. 4. Work methods. Obtain approval for all materials and work methods before beginning work. Repair damaged bridge joints as shown on the plans. Perform the work in accordance with Item 429, concrete structure repair, Item 438, cleaning and sealing joints, Item 448, structural field welding, and Item 454, bridge expansion joints, as directed. Provide certified welder when shown on the plans. Remove concrete and steel sections to limits shown on the plans and as approved when damage extends past specified regions. Repair concrete and steel members damaged by the contractor beyond limits shown at no additional cost. Contain concrete during removal from falling onto lower roadway or into waterway. Remove existing joint and seal. Ensure pressed rest concrete deck panel is not damaged during concrete removal. Clean and extend existing reinforcing steel and replace any damaged steel or add additional steel as shown on the plans. Examine existing steel joint, finger plate, armor plate, or sliding plate to determine if the items are salvageable. Reinstall anchor bolts, anchor studs, and other steel attachments if loose and in accordance with the plans. Install replacement joint system as shown on the plans. Set joint opening as shown on the plans and as directed. Restore concrete under and around joint flush with top of riding surface. Cure repaired concrete a minimum of 4 days, unless directed otherwise. Prepare and seal joint opening. Match existing joint seal type unless shown otherwise. Splice new joint seal to existing joint seal when required in accordance with manufacturer's recommended practices to obtain adequate bond between existing seal and new seal. 5. Measurement. This item will be measured by the foot of joint repaired, per side of joint opening, and by the foot of joint replaced. 6. Payment. The work performed and materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for bridge joint repair and bridge joint replacement of the type 1 identified. This price is full compensation for removing existing joint and seal, breaking back and repairing concrete damaged for joint removal and replacement, removing and replacing additional concrete as shown on the plans, furnishing and placing all materials, cleaning and sealing the joints, disposal of all materials removed, additional sealant required to extend into concrete rail or curb, additional material that may be required due to existing asphalt and concrete removal being more than estimate. On the plans, and for all labor, tools, equipment, and incidentals necessary to complete the work.